everyone, I'm Aileen from PureGear. Today I'm going to show you how to install our Extreme Impact Screen Protector using our Perfect Alignment tray. Before we begin, remove any existing case or screen protector from your phone. The first thing we need to do is remove any dust or debris from your device using the included cleaning kit. Please note, your device comes with a coating that needs to be cleaned off completely before you can install any screen protector. Let's start with alcohol wipe. Again, make sure you clean your device thoroughly to ensure your product adheres properly. We're also going to emphasize on cleaning the curved edges for maximum adhesion. Then we're going to dry it with a cleaning cloth. Lastly, use the dust removal sticker to catch any remaining dust or debris. Now we're going to place our device into our Perfect Alignment tray. Let's grab our roller and install our screen protector. When you apply the screen protector, you're going to feel a little resistance in the beginning. Just keep pushing through until the backliner releases completely. Now we're going to carefully peel off tabs B and C. As an added tip, you can use the roller as you're peeling off the tabs to remove any possible air bubbles. Finally, use the roller or cloth to rub out any remaining air bubbles. Also note, any tiny bubbles or haze will work themselves out in a couple of days. Now let's remove your device from the tray by pushing through the hole in the back. We'll do this carefully to avoid contact on the curved edges. Since our phone is curved, we're going to want to use a roller to secure the screen protector over the edges. Do this by firmly rolling down and over the edges. We recommend you reinforce it even further by sliding your finger up and down the sides and corners. Again, any tiny bubbles and haze will disappear after a couple of days. Now you're ready to use your device. For more information on PureGear and any of our other products, please visit us at pure-gear.com.